Hearing that you need to learn about your kidneys can feel scary and maybe a little overwhelming. Let's start by taking a calm breath together. You are not alone on this journey. The purpose of this video is to be your clear and gentle guide. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through exactly what your kidneys do, where they are, and how they work to keep you healthy every single day. Our goal is to replace uncertainty with understanding. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Your health situation is unique. Always talk to your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider for personal diagnosis, treatment, and care plans. Here is what you will learn today. First, we'll cover the essential functions of your kidneys. Then, we'll pinpoint exactly where they are in your body. We'll take a closer look at the tiny filters inside them, called nephrons. We'll also discuss how doctors check kidney health, what the common risk factors are, and finally, cover simple, powerful steps you can take to protect these vital organs. Let's start with the basics. Your kidneys are two remarkable bean-shaped organs. Think of them as the master chemists of your body. Their primary and most well-known job is to clean your blood, but they also perform many other critical tasks to keep your entire body in a stable, healthy balance. Most people have two kidneys, one on each side of the spine. Each one is about 4 to 5 inches long, roughly the size of your own clenched fist. While you have two, a single healthy kidney can do the job of both, which is why living kidney donation is possible. Now, where are they located? They aren't in your lower back as many people think. They actually sit high up in your abdomen, toward your back, tucked safely underneath your lower rib cage. This position, known as the retroperitoneal space, means they are located behind the lining of your abdominal cavity, which gives them excellent protection. You can find the general area on your own body. Try this. Place your hands on your hips, then slide them upwards until you feel the bottom of your ribs. Now, wrap your hands around your sides and point your thumbs toward your back. Your kidneys are located in that region, one on each side of your spine. Your body provides a natural shield for these important organs. The lower ribs, strong back muscles, and a generous layer of fat all work together to cushion and protect the kidneys from injury. Because they are so well protected and tucked away, you usually cannot feel them from the outside unless they are significantly enlarged or swollen. The kidneys are the starting point of your urinary system. After they filter your blood, they create urine from the waste products and extra water they've removed. This urine doesn't just stay there. It travels down two thin, muscular tubes called ureters, which connect each kidney to your bladder. The bladder then stores the urine until you're ready to release it. To understand their main job, think of your kidneys like a highly advanced water filtration system for your house. But instead of just cleaning water, they are silently and continuously cleaning your entire blood supply, all day and all night, without you ever having to think about it. Every minute, a large amount of your blood flows through your kidneys. Their job is to remove metabolic wastes, like urea and creatinine, and excess minerals from the blood. If these substances were allowed to build up, they would become toxic and harm your body. So how do they do this? Inside each kidney are about 1 million microscopic filtering units called nephrons. Each nephron has two main parts, a filter called the glomerulus and a tubule. The glomerulus sorts out waste and extra fluid from the blood, while the tubule returns needed substances back to your blood and sends the wastes away. Beyond cleaning, your kidneys are masters of fluid balance. They precisely adjust how much water your body keeps or releases. If you drink a lot of water, your kidneys will produce more dilute, pale urine to get rid of the excess. If you're dehydrated, they conserve water, and your urine becomes more concentrated and darker in color. This is your body's smart way of maintaining hydration. Kidneys also meticulously balance crucial minerals in your blood called electrolytes. These include sodium, potassium, and calcium. Maintaining the right balance of these electrolytes is essential for your nerves to send signals, your muscles to contract, and your heart to beat properly. Your kidneys are the conductors of this delicate electrical orchestra. Did you know your kidneys also help control your blood pressure? They do this in two ways: by managing the overall fluid level in your body, and by releasing a hormone called renin. Renin sets off a chain reaction that helps regulate the constriction of your blood vessels, playing a direct role in keeping your blood pressure in a healthy range. For strong bones, you need vitamin D. But the vitamin D you get from sunlight or food is in an inactive form. Your kidneys are responsible for converting it into its active form. This active vitamin D is necessary for your body to absorb calcium from your diet, which is fundamental for building and maintaining strong, healthy bones. The workload of your kidneys is truly astounding. They work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Combined, they filter about 200 quarts of blood every single day. That's equivalent to filtering your body's entire blood supply more than 30 times a day. Out of all that blood they filter, only about 1 to 2 quarts of waste and extra water become urine. This urine then travels down the ureters into the bladder, where it is stored safely until you feel the urge to go to the bathroom. Here's an interesting anatomical detail. Your two kidneys are not perfectly symmetrical. The right kidney usually sits just a little bit lower than the left one. This is because your liver, which is a large organ, is located on the right side of your abdomen, just above the right kidney, taking up a bit of extra space. One of the challenges with kidney health is that problems can be silent in the early stages. However, there are signs to watch for. Pay attention to changes in urination, like going more or less often or seeing foam in the urine. Also, look for swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet, or feeling unusually tired or fatigued for no clear reason. Just like a home water filter can get clogged over time, the tiny filters in your kidneys can be damaged. Chronic conditions like long-term high blood pressure or diabetes are the most common causes of this strain. They can scar the delicate nephrons, reducing their ability to filter blood effectively. That's why managing these conditions is the best way to keep your kidney filters clear and working well. If you have any concerns, the best next step is simple and proactive. Schedule a visit with your doctor. Go into the appointment with a calm mindset, ready to be a partner in your own health. Your questions and observations are valuable. To make the most of your visit, take a few minutes beforehand to write down any symptoms you've noticed, even if they seem minor. Note any changes in your urine, any new swelling, or persistent fatigue. Having a list ensures you won't forget to mention anything important during your conversation with the doctor. To check your kidney health, your doctor may order 2 simple tests. A urine test, specifically an ACR, checks for a type of protein called albumin in your urine. A blood test is used to measure creatinine, a waste product, which helps your doctor calculate your eGFR, or estimated glomerular filtration rate. The eGFR is the best overall measure of your kidney function. Be prepared to ask questions. Good ones include, what do my urine and blood test results mean for me? Is my blood pressure at a safe level for my kidneys? And could any of the medications or over-the-counter supplements I take affect my kidneys? You have the power to support your kidneys every day. Simple habits make a huge difference. Stay well hydrated by drinking enough water. Choose foods with less salt to help control blood pressure. And stay active with regular movement like walking. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, carefully following your treatment plan is the most important thing you can do for your kidney health. Let's do a quick recap. Your kidneys are 2 fist-sized, bean-shaped organs located near your back, under your ribs. They are your body's master cleaners and balancers. They filter waste from your blood, manage your body's water and salt levels, release hormones that regulate blood pressure, and activate vitamin D to keep your bones strong. Protecting them with simple lifestyle steps and getting regular checkups can make all the difference for your long-term health. You now have a solid foundation of what your kidneys do and where they are. Knowledge is the first step toward empowerment. Small, steady, and informed actions are the key to keeping them healthy for years to come. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more calm, clear education on kidney health and overall wellness.